As a company with nearly 20 years of experience, Sorotec is proud to have our own factory and technical team. We specialize in the R&D and production of inverters and lithium batteries, providing customized OEM and ODM services to clients worldwide. Our factory and technical team work seamlessly with your needs, ensuring every product meets exceptional quality. From each real customer feedback image to every video of product experiences, we continue to earn trust and support. Real feedback from our customers drives us to constantly innovate and improve. Promise 1. Never use inferior or second-hand components and guarantee use the top brand and good quality products. Promise 2. Never make false claims and guarantee the actual test and actual standard of product. Promise 3. All-round after-sales service, fast response door-to-door service for major problems.